We love being able to add music to our Instagram stories, am I right? I know that I personally love it, and the moment I realized that I didn't have that music sticker, I was kind of in shock. Why would Instagram be doing this to me? I wanted to be able to show my new favorite song, be able to put those lyrics on my Instagram story, and I know it has happened to a lot of you too. My name is Laura Gomez. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share all things marketing. As you guys know, I am an Instagram lover. I absolutely love Instagram and I share all my tips and tricks with you guys. So when I noticed I didn't have this button, I started searching and I started looking, how could I get it back? Well, as you guys know, Instagram does a ton of testing, beta testing with their music things, with their new features. So it is something that we have to kind of keep cool. And even though we follow these steps, we have to be patient. First thing, make sure that your app is always updated. I cannot say this enough, but since they're always rolling out new things, we have to make sure it's always updated. Second tip, switch to a creator or a personal account. If you have a business account, then that could be the reason why your music sticker is not showing up on your account, okay? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your settings account and switch to either a creator or a personal Instagram account. This is super easy and it's done in one click. So after you switch it, you might be asking yourself, Laura, I checked and my music sticker still isn't there. What should I do? All right, I know this kind of gives us a little bit of a, should I really do this? But yes, you're going to log out first, log out and delete the Instagram app, okay? This allows it to clear all the data that's happening, okay? And then you'll be able to download the app again, log in. I promise you, if you've never done it before, it doesn't lose any of your content, your followers, none of that, okay? So log out, log back in and check. If it's still not there, be patient. Remember that you just switched your account. So it could take a couple of days to actually show up on your account, all right? So that's second tip. And then third tip, make sure that if you do want to still leave your Instagram app there, let's say you were too scared to actually delete it and then download it again, make sure you go into your settings of your phone and you actually clear all the data. You can do this in an Android and in an iPhone. Clear all the data that's in your Instagram app. So what this does is it basically blanks it all out and starts fresh. So that's exactly what we want to do in order for Instagram to see our account as what we switched it back to, okay? I hope this truly helped. It helped me and it got my music back on my account. So sending you lots of luck. If you have any more questions, go ahead and leave them down below. And if you are looking for more Instagram tips, then check out the comments. I'm gonna leave some really gold nuggets there that you can always click on for more information. All right, see you next time. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, bye-bye.